Number 1. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Convertible, $6,800, Round Rock, Texas. This 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Convertible offers a unique piece of American automotive history at an affordable price. With its rear-mounted engine and air-cooled flat six, the Corvair was unlike anything else from Detroit at the time. This example features an automatic transmission and a manual convertible top. The interior is clean and the paint is decent. It reportedly runs well, making it an excellent entry-level classic convertible for weekend cruising. Number 2. 1964 Mercury Comet, $6,500, El Paso, Texas. The 1964 Mercury Comet is a solid choice for someone seeking a reliable and mechanically sorted classic. While the odometer shows 200,000 miles, this Comet has received extensive recent maintenance, including shocks, tires, coils, and engine work. It runs smoothly with minor cosmetic imperfections, making it ideal for someone who wants a dependable cruiser or a light restoration project. Number 3. 1965 Ford Mustang, $5,600, El Monte, California. This 1965 Ford Mustang presents a solid starting point for restoration. The body is straight, the interior is decent, and while the V8 engine turns over, it needs fuel system cleaning and brake service. Though it has been sitting, it is a promising base for a first-generation Mustang project. The clean title and classic black paint make it an attractive and budget-friendly option. Number 4. 1963 AMC Wagon, $5,000, Santa Rosa, California. All original and increasingly rare, this 1963 AMC Wagon is a non-running survivor in need of mechanical revival. It has been parked for several years but retains a clean title and complete structure. AMC Wagons of this era are appreciated for their unique styling and utility, making this a great candidate for restoration or rat rod customization. Number 5. 1969 Ford Galaxy 500, $8,000, Boise, Idaho. Finished in Wimbledon white, this 1969 Galaxy 500 Sports Roof Fastback is a running and driving project powered by a 390 cubic inch V8. It features dual exhaust, American racing wheels, and a mostly completed interior. Surface rust is noted, but the car is largely original and ready for someone seeking a solid classic full-size Ford with muscle car presence. Number 6. 1978 Ford Fairmont two-door sedan, $5,500. Portland, Oregon. A hidden gem in the Fox body family, this 1978 Ford Fairmont has been thoughtfully modified for performance. Featuring a turbocharged 4-cylinder from a Thunderbird turbo coupe, a 5-speed transmission from a Mustang SVO, and a long list of upgrades, this car is a street sleeper with vintage charm. Enthusiasts will appreciate the attention to detail in this build and its daily driver viability. Number 7. 1972 AMC Hornet, $9,000, Hope, Arkansas stunt. This two-door 1972 AMC Hornet is in excellent condition, featuring a straight-six engine and automatic transmission. It boasts a clean interior, good tires, and strong drivability. AMC vehicles are gaining appreciation among collectors, and this well-kept Hornet makes for a unique and reliable classic driver at a fair price. Number 8. 1973 Ford Country Sedan Wagon, $5,000, Issaquah, Washington. This 1973 Ford Country Sedan is a true survivor that spent most of its life with the original owner. It features a 400 cubic inch V8, power steering, power disc brakes, and factory air conditioning, currently inoperative. Recent work includes a rebuilt carburetor, new wheels, battery, and headliner. This full-size wagon offers classic American family hauler charm and plenty of room for road trips or vintage cruising. Number 9. 1974 Plymouth Satellite Roadrunner Clone, $7,650, The Dalles, Oregon. Styled after the popular Roadrunner, this 1974 Plymouth Satellite is a B-body Mopar with muscle car looks. Equipped with a 3 18 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it runs and drives but needs mechanical work, including transmission leak repair and brake attention. It is a presentable project with plenty of upside for the Mopar enthusiast on a budget. Number 10. 1978 AMC Gremlin Livis Edition, $13,500, Santa Barbara, California. This rare 1978 AMC Gremlin Livis Edition features the desirable 258 cubic inch inline-six engine and automatic transmission. With power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and original denim-style interior, this silver beauty is both quirky and collectible. It runs well and is rust-free, making it a standout survivor from one of AMC's boldest eras. Number 11. 1976 Oldsmobile Cutless, $10,000, Galt, California. A ready-to-drive classic, this 1976 Oldsmobile Cutless was revived after sitting for 15 years. With over $6,000 in recent repairs, including fuel and brake system replacements, it is mechanically sound and features a cammed V8 with a performance carburetor. It does not have emissions equipment, but it has a clean title and makes for a muscular personal luxury coupe with character. Number 12. 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1, $12,000, Brentwood, California. This flat black 1973 Mustang Mach 1 Fastback is a true driver. It has 75,000 miles and comes with many new parts, including front disc brakes, shocks, fuel system, and battery. With Craigslist wheels and a solid interior, it retains a cool period look. The car includes a rear spoiler and is ready to enjoy as is or restore further. A great opportunity to own a classic Mustang with muscle car attitude. Number 13. 1978 Chevrolet Malibu with 454 swap, $15,000 Tucson, Arizona. This 1978 Chevrolet Malibu has been transformed into a true sleeper with a built 454 cubic inch big block, high performance cam, and Edelbrock carburetor. The car also features a Hughes-built turbo 350 transmission and full suspension upgrades. Rust-free and built for power, this father-son project is now ready for a new home. It is ideal for someone who wants a vintage muscle car with modern performance. Number 14. 1964 AMC Rambler 770 Classic Cross Country Wagon, $10,500, Denver, Colorado. This 1964 Rambler 770 Cross Country Wagon is a well-documented survivor with tasteful upgrades. Featuring a 287 cubic inch V8, power steering, and rare factory disc brakes, it is a true top trim model. Recent improvements include a Holley carburetor, Pertronix ignition, and new radial tires. With discrete stereo upgrades and vintage charm, it is perfect for someone who wants to cruise in style with practicality and flair. Number 15. 1978 Chevrolet Camaro V6, $6,000, San Jacinto, California. This 1978 Chevrolet Camaro is a one-owner survivor with a V6 engine, automatic transmission, and 130,000 miles. It was originally owned by the seller's mother and still wears its original blue California license plates. It starts and runs well and retains a clean title. As an unmolested classic, it offers excellent potential as a restoration candidate or a budget-friendly entry into second-generation Camaro ownership.